Hello everyone. Happy to meet you all. Well, today topic is about time. How you spend your time. It talks about your success. Today everyone want to say that I would like to do this. I want to change my way of my lifestyle. I want to improve my communication. I want to improve my income and all those. But it's just become a saying. I don't see they have been doing anything. The time what you spend tells out how well are you committed to your life. People just keep saying they have big dreams, but I don't think they have been working towards it. Let's take a simple classes. Let's take my example of my students, what they've been doing it here. When they keep asking, ma'am, I want to improve my communication, I want to do this, I want to join the class. I want to join the class, that's the first saying. But have they taken the steps to join? I don't see it. They say, no, I want to change my lifestyle. Okay. They just say it. They just watch lots and lots of channels. They see different people's lifestyle. But they have done it? No, they have not done it. Rather, investing their time in improving themselves, they invest time in just by saying. There is no action. A plan without any action leads you nowhere. You need to have some commitment to success. Commit to success. There's nothing. The time what you spend, that shows how committed are you. There are lots of people talking many big things. I'm this, I'm that, I'm this. I wanted to do this, but I haven't the energy what they have during the saying. I don't think that they are doing it in action. People talk big, but there's nothing being implemented. So I would like to say that you need to value your time. Your time decides who you are. The time what you spend, that shows about the quality of your work. It's rather getting into lots of medias. What are you learning from media? There are lots and lots of channels which giving you different informations. People keep watching the channels and unwantedly keep subscribing it, and there is no any kind of consistency in following it. Today this media, toward that one, that one. So what is the point of doing it? So I would say that no matter you subscribing medias, you watching movies, you're getting into people's life, no. Today we have lots of webinars coming up on Facebook. Yes, so many webinars. People do it. But are you implementing or are you investing your time in a proper way? When you say I want to do this, are you committed to it? I don't see that. When you get committed, that shows your success. It could be your personal life or it could be your professional life. If there is no commitment, it's a dream. It's very easy to say, I want to do this, I want to become this. But what are your steps doing on that is the first thing. Invest your time in a proper way. I don't know, I don't say that you are wasting your time. I don't say that statement at all. It all depends upon your mindset. The mindset what you have, you need to be very clear about your needs. And end of the day, no, I went this, I joined this, I saw this. Fine. If you are not implementing whatever you did till now, it's going to be zero gain. Back to the pavement again. Rather, I would say time is very important. And we can make out a person in what he spends lots of time. That leads to success. So I would say commit to success. When there is no any commitment, till the end, you're going to be the same. So, according to me, time is very precious for me. Every single moment, I think it's very useful. This video, it wasn't prepared. I just went on with the views what I get, and whatever has come, I see people responding it. So please do what you want to do it. Work on it and spend your time very carefully so that it fulfills your dream. Rather saying it, just put into action and you'll be a person to success.